Hello everybody, welcome back to another random video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook login error and unexpected error occurred. Please try logging in again on your iPhone iOS 15. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, go back to your home screen and then firstly let me check here. I'm using the iOS version as iOS 15. You can see here it is. So let's go to fix right now. So I have 6 methods to solve this problem, so hopefully any of the trick will fix your problem as well. For first method, tap here on settings app on your device here, and then tap here on mobile data. If you're using mobile data, then from here make sure that the toggle is turned on, and then tap here on personal hotspot, and then tap here on mobile data options. And from here you have to make sure that low data mode toggle is turned off here. In case it's turned on, you have to turn this off and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if you are using the Wi-Fi connection, then tap here on Wi-Fi, and from here make sure that the Wi-Fi connection you are connected with is strong enough or not. And if it's not strong, disable this one or try another one, or disable this one and try your mobile data and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick also doesn't work for you, then go for the second one. For that, just open up your app store here on your device, and then what you have to do is just search here for the Facebook app. So search for this and then check whether any updated version is available of the Facebook. If any updated version is available, you have to up to date to the latest one. And if there is no any update here, what you have to do is just uninstall your Facebook app and then turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds, and then turn back on and install your Facebook app. And if this trick also doesn't work for you, then go for the next one. For that, what you have to do is just tap here on settings again, and then scroll it down and tap here on general, and from here tap on iPhone storage and scroll it down here, and here find and tap on Facebook, and then tap here on offload app, and again tap here on offload app to confirm the process, and it's offloading. So after that, tap here on reinstall app, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick also doesn't work for you, then go for the next one. For that, again open up settings app on your device here, and then again scroll it down and find and tap here on general, and scroll it down all the way here and tap here on transfer or reset iPhone, and then tap here on reset. And from here what you have to do, just tap here on reset network settings, enter your passcode here, and again tap here on reset network settings to confirm the process. So your network settings will be deleted, returning them to factory defaults, and no data will be lost here. So after that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if still the problem is not fixed, then go for the fifth method. For that, what you have to do is just reboot your device by pressing the combination of keys according to your device, and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if all of these tricks doesn't work for you, then go for the final one, because there may be some bugs in your Facebook app, and hopefully it will be solved within a few days. So just open up any browser here on your device and search here for the facebook.com. Here it is, and then after that type here your mobile number or email and then password and log in and use your account here till the problem is solved by the Facebook team. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.